Hello everyone. Today our lesson is about photo retouching. So let's start. This is the image we want to retouch, and we bring it to Photoshop by just dragging and dropping it. Now we have the image inside Photoshop. Before we start, we should know that there are some basic and important rules or principles for correct and professional face retouching. The first rule is to set the opacity and the flow to 75%. Now, the second rule or principle is to set the hardness of the brush or the stamp brush to 0. So now it is 0. You see, in the middle, the hardness is 0. Now let's go forward to the important rule for correct face retouching. So please focus on this point or rule. The third rule is about paths that we should try to follow when we stamping the face. So I will draw a lines and pass here to show you the correct path of face retouching. So let's zoom in here to the cheeks, and let's start draw the lines. You should not do this. You just go and make the stamp, but I am doing this to show you how the true or the path that you should follow when you are stamping. Okay, let's make a new layer here. Okay, now for the cheeks area, we should start from here to the top, or the inverse, from here to here. This is the first stamp path. Near to the eye, we take from here to here, because this area is more clear and perfect, and this area has more wrinkles, so we take from good area to the bad area. And here, the third path here, we can take from here to here, or the inverse. And also we take from the middle part to the outside, because this area in most cases is the clearest and perfect area in the cheek. So we take from the good area, which is the middle of the cheek, to the outside. Okay, so we have 4 main paths, 3 on the edge, and the fourth one is from the middle of the cheek to the outside. So let's try to do this stamps. So I am going to the stamp tool, and I am hiding this layer, and go to the basic layer, and starting to retouch the face. So this is let's see, this is the first path. Okay, I am taking it from bottom to the top and from the top to the bottom, and the second from here to here. Okay, the third one, this is the line that I should follow. Okay, so now from the middle to the outside. Okay, we finish from the right cheek. Now I'm going to the second cheek. The same paths, the same paths that I do on the first cheek. The edges near to the eye, and this edge also, this edge also. Okay, now from the middle to the outside. Okay, we finish it from the cheeks. Now I'm going to the forehead. Let's create new layer for the forehead. I can draw the path. Now for the head, for the forehead, this is the path from here to the top, from here to the top, from the middle to the edge, from the middle to the edge, like this. Okay, and also from here to here, and like this. From here to here, and the inverse from here to here. Also from here to here, and the inverse from here to here. Okay, I hope everything is clear. I'm now going to hide this path and start working on it. So now, as you see, I will start here. Now, okay, and also here from the bottom to the top. Actually, we can do the inverse also. So from here to here. It is your choice. When you see where is the perfect area, you should take from the perfect area to the baddest area or the bad area. Okay, going back to the face layer and work on it. Now from the middle to the outside. When I am near to the middle, I go to the outside. When I reach to the edge, I'm doing vertically. When I am near to the center, I am doing horizontally. So okay, now we finish from the forehead, going now to the nose area. The nose area, I should create the path for it. Nose layer. Okay. This line and this line sorry, also here, also here, and you see, this is the path for the nose area. So let's start. I will start from here to here. It is also important to make the right brush size. So you see the nose is small, so you should make it a little small brush size. Now this area, so let's reduce the size of the stamp brush. Now everything is finished. Let's go back to the forehead. Let's do some retouch. Okay. Now we have been finished from face retouching, but there is one little step. Maybe we realize that the face has a strong retouching effect, so we maybe want to reduce the effect of retouching by just go to the history brush and let's reduce it to 15%, maybe 20, 25, 25 is good, or 25, yes, and uh, just reduce the areas, reduce the effect from some areas. Okay, like this. We have hair on, like this. So let's see what the image, what was the original image and what is now. Let's compare it. Let's see. This was the original image and now this is the final image. You see the difference? It is really a beautiful thing. It feels like a natural photo. This is the professional photo retouching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you and goodbye.